A very warm welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how I'm going to mount my rear view mirror that I did the installation of. If you watched the previous video, how to actually mount this on a bracket so it looks OEM to this car. So in the past few months I sourced this bracket that's currently on the rear view mirror. I'll be taking some material away from here to make a passage for the wires, which will then run in this recess through this hole and to the connectors. After removing this, you will notice that your alarm system doesn't work. You can't function your key fob and various functions to do with anything that your key connects to will be disabled because the receiver sits in your rearview mirror. So next I'll be showing you how to dismantle this to get out the inner piece, and then that I'll be mounting inside my trim up top. So I don't think I'll be needing this part. I'm not sure, I'll see now. This looks just like a brightness sensor, a daylight sensor for whatever should be displayed here. If it's bright out, for it to be there. Be then bright on the screen, or if it's dark to then be dim. So I'm gonna leave this off for now and just plug what I can see is the alarm sensing unit and the alarm light. I'll be plugging this in to see if it will function properly. So we'll plug that in, have a look at the light, and now before I do this, before I plug this in, you can see nothing functions on the car at present stage. And as I plug that in, we'll have a look at the red light here, and as you can see, everything functions as normal. So I don't think I need this part. So in this episode, some good news comes with some bad. I actually had to take off this mount for my OEM mirror, and as you can see, that little black spot that's on it, it's actually a piece of my glass. As I twisted it to get it off, it actually brought or chipped a piece of glass with it and detached from the window itself. I'll show you now what it looks like from the outside. It's not that big of a deal, but for now it is connected. I'm gonna show you guys now how it looks, and it's looking fantastic. I'm really pleased with it, except for that little chip. And here we go. There you see the power cable running, and then there's the little chip. So I do apologize not showing you guys exactly when I mounted this rear view mirror now, the actual gluing process of it. I had quite a lot of difficulty doing this. It took me several attempts to get it in the right position and not messing glue almost everywhere on my windshield. Luckily this wipes off with a little bit of soapy water on a cloth, which makes it very easy to clean once it's still wet, obviously. And the product I used was Pratley Easy Bond. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.